Hello, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to make the ice cream without fridge. I used salt, ice, and milk. I get a bag and put the milk in. Okay, Mom. I close the bag. Now I put it in a big bag. First, I pour the ice in. And then I put the salt in. And then I put the milk in the bag. And I close the other bag. Now I shake it. And why can't it make ice cream without fridge? Because milk is hot given to the ice, and ice is cold, and ice melted, and ice is cold given to the milk, so it can make ice cream. Why can I add salt in this bag? Because the salt makes the ice melt faster. Mommy buy salt to make the snow on the driveway melt faster. Take the ice creams all ready. Now I open the bag. I open the bag and pour it in the bowl. Scoop it out and pour it in the bowl. Look at my ice cream. Yummy! Thank you for watching.